Hi sweets! How y'all babies doing today? On and on and on and on. ChantayLainey is back with another one. Stay tuned because you don't want to miss this one. It took me a month and a half to come up with that. And by me, I mean my sister. You know, she gave me that line. Let me know what y'all think. I don't love it, but I ain't got nothing better, so we gonna make do. Alright guys, so I have not recorded in a month and a half. I know you've noticed that I haven't been uploading as frequent because all of my stored content is up now. Like, I don't have anything else to edit. I just need to record now. So here we are. So I've been rocking these braids, lemonade braids, you know. Beyonce wants to, so we had to do it. We had to do it, you know. So my braids have been in for 4 weeks, and this video is just going to basically show you how to get your hair back to life, get it zhuzh, you know, all those nice things after you've worn a protective style for an extended period. Now, I haven't done anything to my hair for those 4 weeks. I've literally oiled my hair like twice. Haven't done anything to it, and I've been in the pool a lot, so you know, chlorine, and so I don't anticipate that when I take these braids down that I'm gonna look a hot mess. But I wanted to show you guys how to get your hair nice and moisturized and proper and So let go. So I'm gonna take these down, and it's gonna take me a hot minute because they be hella long, because you know I said lemonade. So let's go. My hair came down from the braids. As you can see, it is hella dry, hella dirty. It feels really brittle. Like, I haven't felt my hair like this in a really long time. Like, it feels bad. So I'm gonna wash it now, and what I use to wash my hair is the Aussie Mega Moist shampoo and conditioner. Okay guys, do you see my hair? Like, do you see my hair? First of all, I've never experienced shrinkage of this kind before. Like, do I even have hair? What? My hair is dry. Like, I feel like if I touch it, it'll break. Like, what like, I'm so confused. Like, I have no curl pattern. Like, I don't know what this is. Like, I'm not even certain that what I planned on doing to my hair can fix my hair, because this looks like I need to do a big chop. Like, this looks like all sorts of damaged. Oh my gosh. So I have here my BENTONITE clay hair mask mix, and it's BENTONITE clay, apple cider vinegar, water, castor oil, and coconut oil. I didn't show you guys how I made it because there's like 10 million videos on YouTube and on the internet in general about how to make your own. So I made a whole lot because my hair is genuinely scaring me right now. Like, I just don't know what to expect. So I made a whole lot so my hair can bask in it. So you want to make sure your hair is properly saturated with water. And then we're just gonna go in and apply the clay. And I'm gonna try and finger detangle this while I apply it. It's a lot easier actually. I don't feel so bad. Like, you can see my hair left. I feel like my hair drop off. Like, maybe I'm being dramatic. You can see my hair looks so much better already. Like, look at here compared to here. Like, come on, BENTONITE clay gods, I need you. I need you. I wanted to show you guys just the amount of hair that I got from just applying the clay. And this is 4 weeks of protective styling. This is how much dead hair I have. There was more from when I was like washing and my hair still isn't fully detangled, but you know, there's a lot of dead hair in here. So as I said, I'm gonna let this stay for like 30 minutes because my hair needs all the help it can get right now, and then I'll come back and show you guys what it looks like immediately after. Alright guys, so I washed the clay out of my hair, and you can see my hair looks a lot better. You can see I got a little curls, you know. Whew, my hair is not shrunking. It feels a lot better. It doesn't feel like 100%, but it does feel a lot better. So the last step that I'm gonna do is put in some deep treatment, deep conditioning. I'm gonna put in some deep conditioning treatment, and the one that I'm gonna be using today is from Cantu, and it's their deep treatment mask. Let me show you guys the consistency of this Cantu. Like, it's thick, but it smells amazing. All of my hair, especially in the areas that I know are prone to be dry, like the front area here and the middle section of my hair, and I just work it through. So I'll do this to all of my hair, detangle it, and then I'm gonna go under the dryer, and that's it. Alright guys, so I washed the deep conditioner out of my hair. I kept it in for 20 minutes. I'm real proud of myself because it be hot as donkey balls here in Jamaica. But you know, I did the damn thing. And this is the end result. I think my hair turned out really good, especially considering where it was coming from. Like, no lies, when I took my braids out and did the first wash, I was just like, wow, my hair is like damaged. Like, I have to cut this ish off. Like, there's no recovering. Like, Kim Kardashian mental breakdown here. Like, for real, like, I was depressed. But I think it turned out real good. Excuse my nephew coughing. And in the scene, Lloyd, you know better. Come on.
Yes.
So this is where we're at. Looking a whole lot better. Alright, so I really hope this video was helpful. If you do have dry damaged hair, you can try this process on your hair, and I honestly can't see why it wouldn't work. Like, y'all saw where my hair is coming from nothing to something. Alright guys, I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe to my channel if you ain't already. Y'all saw we hit that 5,000 mark. We out here, we doing things. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next upload. Bye. Cheers.
Cheers.
Come on.
Butter cheese. Butter cheese.
What?
Butter cheese.
Butter cheese?
Butter cheese like a butter.
What?
Butter's like a butter cheese.
You're silly.
Butter cheese like a butter.
Say bye.
Bye bye.
Say subscribe to my channel.
Subscribe to my channel.
You heard him. How you gonna tell a 5-year-old no? How? Look at his face. Look at his face. Give him a cute face. Give him a cute face.